Nagsasapatos tayo, guys. I'm wearing this para matchy-matchy tayo, guys. Pero pag nasa sasakyan lang ako, naka-flats lang tayo, luxers, para hindi nakakangalay sa paa. Ito na pala yung studio. Dito na tayo sa studio, luxers. Ganda tong studio na to na nakuha nila. Glass house, tama. Malayo lang. Dito pala tayo, luxers. Ayan, dito tayo. Ang hirap. Ang hirap eh.
Sabi ko parang ayoko na ibaba.
Hi! Hello.
Hi.
Hi,
Hi, guys. So this is Andrea, our photographer, Anna,
Nice to meet you.
and Micah, of course.
Hello
our
po.
stylist.
Stylist natin, Miss Maita. And Char. Ayan. This is RJ naman, my PA. My super sipag PA.
Hi! Grabe, legit na legit.
So guys, ayan, eto na yon. Eto na yung hinihintay nyo. Bakit ko kasama si Mond sa picture last time. So this is it. Diyan lang kayo and isasama ko kayo later sa shoot.
Yes!
Fairness dito sa studio, luxers, very luxe talaga yung vibe niya. Very aesthetic. And as you can see naman, yung fairness na sa family sila dito. Buti na lang ganito yung damit ko. Umaga. Nasa taas na yata si Sarah. Hi! Hello! Ang ganda!
Kumusta? Fresh din, no?
Siyempre,
Say hi!
guys, say hi to my luxers!
Hi, Luxers!
Siyempre, guys, for the second time around, siyempre, pang second year na natin to and second shoot na natin with Sarah. So, I'm thankful kasi nag-bring niyo siya.
No, I am grateful. Now we're working together again. Kasi parang hindi work, diba? We're having fun.
Yes,
And I love
chill
the
lang.
product. Exciting day for all of us.
Marami kayong mga abangan, maraming pasabog. And of course, diba, because Mond is siya ang creative director natin for today's project. So, abangan niyo ang relaunch ng Luxe Skin.
I'm excited. So many exciting things ahead. And as Miss Anna said, Mond Gutierrez is part of this
Yes.
shoot, which is special for
Oh,
me. We're
excited.
working together again with you. So exciting things ahead for all of us.
Wait lang, mini-make-upan pa siya. Nag-prepare na sila for the first layout. Yeah, so madaming, I think, 3 layouts.
Yeah.
3 layouts. And request na ako ng MACARAIG kay Sarah. So, later guys, later.
Yeah.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Woohoo!
Yay!
Oh,
baby, thank you.
Ang sweet ni Sarah! Grabe!
So, kainin natin tonight for everyone.
Hati-hati yan.
Hati-hati, with the slimming pills. Kaya natin ang Luxe Slim.
Kailangan mo equally divided ha. Equally divided dapat yan.
Happy birthday,
Thank you.
Happy birthday!
Okay, pwede na tayo mag-work. Paano yun yung point?
Back to work!
We'll do this for the beach. Yeah, we'll do this for the beach layout.
Then, ito yung newest. So,
Nice. When you open this, what's inside?
two soap siya. Yeah. Meron ako isang extra pa naman na dala.
Na nakalabas
So we
na.
can open.
Yeah, sige. Okay. Parang the soap is nice kasi she'll be in a bathtub.
We have two soaps. Ito yung isa. So,
Oh, this is nice. Para siyang marble, friend.
kaya meron siyang gold.
This is nice, and the soap.
Yeah.
Oh, this is nice.
Yung ano,
Ito na lang for now. This one na lang for now.
tinted sunscreen siya ng
Yeah.
summer kasi tinted sunscreen siya.
Okay. We'll use this as the first for the first layout.
So guys, nasa first layout na tayo and Mond is our creative director.
Yes.
So Mond, anong expect natin dito sa first layout?
Yes, so today we're starting the day with this very first layout. We wanted a more natural look for Sarah. Parang she just woke up and the sun is hitting her face and of course showing her beautiful skin. So highlight talaga ng shoot is really her skin. So today,
Eh, wala masyadong makeup.
Wala
boxers
masyadong
kayo
makeup.
nakikita.
Yeah,
So it's
very-
more skin to skin talaga siya.
so I still wanted to see the texture of the skin. And, you know, she takes care of her skin, so we want to see that. So yun talaga yung highlight for this first layout. And then later, we're gonna go a little bit more glamorous.
Excited na ako guys na makita niyo yung final na output kasi ang ganda. Dito pa lang ang ganda-ganda na.
Dito pa lang actually, wala pang editing, wala pang anything.
Yes,
So,
sobrang ganda na. Yung mga pictures or shots pa lang namin sa cellphone, ganda yung dating niya talaga. So excited na ako sa, alam mo yan, pag lumabas na yung with the edit at all.
and I'm thankful
Pero
to you
masyado.
also for the trust, of course, because alam ko na you guys are still a new company. You know, I love that you're open to new ideas and you're open to collaboration.
And syempre thankful din si Luxe Skin because you accept the project.
Of course.
Yes.
You know, when Sarah was asking me, of course, I wanted to make time for her. And then after meeting you, of course, I wanted to really put my all in effort for you guys.
Yay!
Exciting!
Luxe Skin to the next level!
Next level. You wanna come up first?
Yeah.
Take a breathing break.
Yes. Hinga na hinga.
So this is the first product that we'll feature. Miss Anna, what is the benefit of this product?
Of course, it's our tinted sunscreen with SPF 50+++. More than plus, if pinatest natin yan sa ibang bansa with SPF testing. Mas more than 50 pa talaga yung SPF.
I actually use that as my tinted sunscreen, moisturizer, foundation. It's like a product that
Under your
all-in-one.
All-in-one bottle.
Yeah.
Skincare, sunscreen, moisturizer,
Yeah.
and very lightweight lang. Hindi mo mapipil talaga na
Yeah.
naka-foundation ka.
So SARS for this, I wanted like, you know, move forward, like, you can cover one eye, like, get a little bit more playful, like, a little bit of smile, and then we can do more also, like, fierce.
Yeah.
So do both.
It's easy to pose with this.
It's so cute. I love the packaging. Yeah.
Okay, got it.
Okay, let's do this.
I know this did a shoot for by Far and I thought she was wearing clothes naman, but wet hair.
Yeah.
Then,
Parang feeling naked.
yeah.
There's a dog.
Ang ganda rin ng tub,
There's
eh.
a dog.
Yeah.
Like
It's not
she's
white.
like fully in the dog.
Yeah, yeah.
Second layout na tayo guys and
Yes.
nasa bathtub na Sarah. Ayan. Sexy.
Yeah.
So Luxers, third and last layout na tayo.
Mirror, mirror. So yun ang theme natin for today. It's all about reflection. It's all about Sarah's beautiful skin. And this time it's a little bit more glamorous yung setup natin. She's in a beautiful gown and all black. Pagdating sa mga pictures, it's a little bit more glamorous. Doon yung kanina kasi medyo laid back, di ba? So,
Kanina, parang morning vibe na fresh lang talaga. This one naman, it's more on glam.
yes.
And
For the evening.
paano madalamin ng Sarah Lahbati?
Ganito po yun.
Kung gusto niyo maging kamukha ni Sarah, mag-Luxe Skin ka. So, Luxers, we're done with Sarah. So, si Sarah kasi sa morning shoot. And then, we have Elise. Yes, so Elise, andito na siya. Nag-aayos na siya, guys. Inaayusan na siya. And for our afternoon shoot. Tara, kumustahin natin. Hello!
Hi, Miss.
Ang ganda!
Thank you po.
Of course, very beautiful and fresh Elise na coming soon CEO na din yan.
Kasi idol kita eh.
Oh, diba guys?
Inspire ako sa'yo, Miss Anna.
Nakachika kayo, lost.
To be announced.
To be announced. Oh, pero at least may hint na. Oh, diba? Excited na ako doon.
I know. I'll let you try. Kapag pwede.
Pag pwede
Yeah.
na. Pag pwede na.
Yeah.
So later, abangan natin guys yun. Ay, syempre, ibabagrade din natin siya later guys. Okay, magalan. Ano yung nilaki ng bag ni Sarah? Alam, same kay YSL.
Very big
Pero
bag.
ano yung inilaking bonggang laki ng bag ni Sarah? Siya naman ikinagkit ng bag niya. Diba? So,
Kailangan sakto sa size as a petite girl.
grabe. Okay, sige. Hindi muna natin sila abalahin guys.
Bakit puro manika mga muses mo
Siyempre,
today?
Luxe Skin Beauty. Here.
Thanks, Miss Anna. See you later.
Guys, tingnan nyo. Ang payat ngayon. Talagang ang sexy niya ngayon, Luxers. Si Mariah, tingnan nyo, oh.
May buto naman.
Lumalabas na yung mga buto-buto niya.
3 months na ako nag-hoard ng ano.
Luxe
na,
Skin.
kapag
Favorite mo?
macchiato.
Macchiato talaga eh. Ako din macchiato.
Kaya ako din, meron akong share. Ano talaga ako, buyer ako sa Shopee na Luxe.
Hala!
I won't talk sa bahay ngayon, but I'll show you, promise.
Oh! Ay, natuwa naman.
Ako papakita kasi yung Shopee account ko. Tingnan mo yung kung magkakalala. Tingnan mo yung in-order ko.
Talaga ba?
Macchiato.
Oh my God! Gusto ko lumiyak. Thank you,
Ayan,
thank you,
entrance.
thank you, guys. Ayan na. Alam niyo mo, entrance daw. Oh. Coming from Elise. Kinilig ako. Go, thank you, thank you.
Okay,
First layout for Elise.
Kontrabida.
Ooh, Ascalaba.
Ascalaba.
Hindi ko sa pinagkalabas.
And may ongoing pong pagtatahig na gaganap kasi ang liit po ng bewang ni Elise.
Pag professional tahi, kahit na front view, sa some other time, sa some other pwedeng this.
Milky Whip soap. Currently, sabi niya, ginagamit niya ngayon yan. Guys, andito nga pala si dakilang husband, lover boy.
Ako, sinusunod niya ako.
Support.
Ano eh, parang dumaan lang.
Congrats.
Alam mo yun guys, yung dumaan lang, nag-say hi lang. Wow, akala mo. May shoot siya.
Bawi, shoot
May
ako.
shoot siya. Ang
Sino
sipag
next?
ng mag-asawa. Oh. May shoot, tapos may shoot.
Kailangan, no?
Para kay ano,
Yeah,
di ba?
Felice.
Kay Felice. Halika mo na makoy. Para makita kanila sa camera.
Hello,
Ayan.
subscribe po ay click the bell button.
Oh,
Ano yung vlog po lang? Vlog po yun. Ano yung vlog?
ano Magkawas channel? Huwag mo
Masipag yan si Miss Anna.
Sabi ka sa
Nung kinukwento kay Makoy about your Lux online.
Yes.
Sabi ko ngayon meron na siyang Lux Slim, Lux
Lux
Skin.
at kung ano-ano pa. Well guys, ayan nga, sabi ko sa kanila kasi kanina Makoy, abangan nila yung future CEO.
Na-inspire ko.
Okay.
Future CEO.
Hindi ko talaga.
Ayan, sige na, go na. Kiss na, oh. Oh, thank
Ay,
you.
gusto ulit?
Ingat. Bye na.
May nang-iinggit lang talaga
Ay,
dito.
sorry.
Yes.
So, ano naman yung behind?
So this one is, we're promoting obviously the whole range here. We wanted to highlight the product. So this one very fresh, very natural, parang out of the shower. Parang ganun yung vibe natin for this one. Like Elise just, came out of the shower looking like this. After doing her skincare.
Napakaganda nito. Sobrang fresh yung vibe. And it's a wrap, guys! So, finally, tapos na yung shoot natin. Inabot tayo ng gabi, no?
Yes, a wrap finally. Very professional, very easy to work with. Of course, with Sarah in the morning and then Elise afterwards. Both very professional. At saka sobrang daling issue.
True, diba? Excited na talaga ako, guys. Kaya abangan nyo yan!
Watch out!
Yes! Guys, thank you so much. Thank you sa pagsama sa amin ngayong araw na to. And see you again sa mga susunod na videos natin. So abangan nyo sa next vlog natin, of course, Bag Raid with Sarah and Elise.